Oh, it's recording.
Hello.
Hello.
It's your Auntie Ev.
And Uncle Scott.
And we will be reading Little Blue Truck
By
Alice Schwerdel. Horn went beep, engine purred, friendliest sounds you'll ever heard.
Does it say her? Oh, okay. To rhyme. Little Blue Truck came down the road. Beep, said Blue to Big Green Toad. Toad said, croak, and winked an eye with Little Blue Truck went rolling by.
Sheep said, bah. Cow said, moo. Oink, said the piggy, and beep, said Blue.
Cluck, said the chicken, and the chick said, beep. Ma, said the goat. Blue said, beep. Nay, said the horse. Quack, quack, said the duck. Beep, said the friendly little blue truck.
Honk, yelled the dump truck. Coming through. I'm big and important. Things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every duck along the way.
Vroom went the dump around the curve. He saw a puddle and he tried to swerve. Into the mud rolled the big fat truck, and his big important wheels got stuck. Oh, he's stuck in the mud.
Ooh. His heavy-duty dump truck tires were sunk down in the muck and mire. Honk, yelled the dump, and he sounded scared, but nobody heard or nobody cared.
Then, into the mud, bump, 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 came Little Blue Truck to help the dump. Little Blue pushed with all his might. Now Blue and the dump were both stuck tight. Ooh.
Ooh, tight. Help, 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 cried the Little Blue Truck. Beep, 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 I'm stuck, stuck, stuck. Everybody heard that beep, beep, beep. The cow came running with the pig and the sheep. Do you think they'll help him out?
Maybe. We'll have to find out by flipping that page. Up at a gallop ran Big Brown Horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. Then he came flapping with the chick and the duck, and everybody pushed the Little Blue Truck.
Woo! Head to head and rump to rump, they all started pushing Blue, who pushed the dump. They couldn't quite budge that heavy load, but who hopped up? And the Big Green Toad.
He's got some big biceps.
With his big muscles.
He goes to the gym.
The Toad Gym.
All together. 1, 2, 3. One last push, and the trucks were free.
They got out.
Thank goodness.
What a relief. Thanks, little brother, said the jump to Drew. You go.
You helped me, and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on helping hand from a few good friends.
Aww. Blue and the dump are friends. Beep, said Blue. Who wants a ride? Everybody scrambled and jumped inside. Oink, quack, ba, moo, cluck, peep. Neigh, croak, ma. They're all in the Little Blue Truck.
Beep, beep,
Beep.
beep. The
The
end.
And you've been watching The Little Blue Truck with Auntie Ev.
And Uncle Scott.
Have a good day.
Bye, guys. Love you.
Click the button to replay.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe to our page.
Like and subscribe.